Galingan mo, ah. All you have to do, happy birthday, Blake Jaden. Ganun lang, baby, ha? Ready? Make louder, baby, make louder. Happy birthday, Blake Jaden. Ready, get set, go!
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Wait na.
Yay!
Yay! Ang galing! Baby, nakasama mo yung boses mo. Huwag kang pupulong kay Ate Jane, ha? Happy birthday, Blake Jaden! Ready, get set, go!
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Ayun,
Yay!
nakanyan. Okay, baby, dito ka muna sa harap. Ikaw muna yung defending leader natin. No less? Wow! Si Ate Annie, how old are you, Ate Annie? 5 years old. Nasaan si mommy siya si daddy? Ayan. Ay, no. Ayun si Lola, kaya kailangan galingan mo. Kaya mo bang i-beat yung 9 points? Ayun, Lola, lakas na. Kailangan ma-beat na to. Okay, ready, get it, go!
Galingan mo, Kobe, ah.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Ayun, naka-turn cap. Okay, come on, Annie. Ikaw muna yung defending winner natin. At hindi bigyan natin ng consolation prize. Chess. Okay, baby Chess, here's the prize. Ayan, now next, si Kuya Hans. Come on, tayo dito sa chair. Ayan. Mukhang malaki yung bodega ni Kuya Hans. Aabunin kami nito hanggang bukas. Ayan. Joke lang yun, Kuya Hans. How old are you? 9 years old. Okay, kailangan mag-beat ni 30 counts. Kaya mo ba yan? Opo. Okay, ready, get, set, go! Happy birthday,
Galingan mo, Kobe! Galingan mo, Kobe!
Ang galing-galing naman ni Kuya Hans. Ang galing na Kuya Hans, ikaw muna sa family member natin. Hindi na ako pinahiya. Ang nakaka talaga na, Ate Anchie, come on here. Tayo tayo sa chair. Ayan, dalaga mo si Ate Anchie. Okay, how old are you? 8 years old. Kaya mo bang i-beat yung 37 counts? Opo. Asan si mommy and daddy? Nasaan? Ayun, mommy. Ayun, mommy, picture. Supportahan natin si Angie. Kayang-kaya.